Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to read Google Analytics segments. Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool that helps you analyze specific groups of users and understand their behavior on your website. To get started, you need to have a Google Analytics account and some basic knowledge of how the platform works. First, let's define what a segment is. A segment is a subset of your website's traffic that shares common characteristics, such as demographics, behavior, or technology. Google Analytics provides several predefined segments, but you can also create custom segments based on your specific needs. To access segments in Google Analytics, navigate to the Reports tab and click on the Segment drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a list of predefined segments, such as all users, new users, and returning users. You can also create a new custom segment by clicking on the New Segment button. When creating a custom segment, you can choose from a variety of dimensions and metrics, such as location, language, device, and behavior. For example, you can create a segment for users who have made a purchase, or for users who have visited a specific page on your website. Once you've applied a segment, you can analyze the data in your reports. Segments can be applied to any report in Google Analytics, including the audience report, behavior report, and conversion report. By analyzing the data in your reports, you can gain insights into the behavior and characteristics of your target audience. For example, let's say you want to analyze the behavior of users who have made a purchase on your website. You can apply the Made a Purchase segment to the audience report to see demographics and behavior of these users. You can also apply the segment to the conversion report to see the conversion rate and revenue generated by these users. Best practices for using segments in Google Analytics include creating custom segments based on your specific needs, applying segments to multiple reports to get a comprehensive view of your data, and using segments to compare different groups of users. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of Google Analytics segments and make data-driven decisions to improve your website and marketing strategy. In conclusion, Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool that helps you analyze specific groups of users and understand their behavior on your website. By creating custom segments, applying them to reports, and analyzing the data, you can gain valuable insights into your target audience and make data-driven decisions to improve your website and marketing strategy.